Good.
All good?
Yeah, I was supposed to come yesterday, but I was not sure if it would be open.
Okay.
It wasn't open yesterday.
It was open. But we started like 11, you know?
Oh, and you're closed early?
No, just like usual, like 6.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, what can I do for you?
So, I kind of want like a messy haircut.
Oh, messy.
Like something like this.
Yeah. Sure.
Because I have long
Yeah,
hair.
it's okay. But we're gonna take a little bit off?
Yeah.
So, what do you think? Kind of that much?
A little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Yeah. And on the sides?
I don't know, yeah, because it's like growing.
Yeah.
I don't like it, yeah. So how long are you working here?
In this shop for 3 years, almost 3 years.
Oh, wow.
You working today or?
No, I have holiday today, that's why I came. Yeah. My hair grows very quickly.
It's long. Kind of that much?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So the plan for today? Any plan?
Yeah, I might go for a movie maybe.
For
Napoleon.
the movie, yeah?
Napoleon.
Okay, nice.
Have you watched it?
No. This is the new one?
Yeah, I just released it so a few days back.
Okay.
Yeah, actually I was planning to watch it day before yesterday, but thankfully I didn't go for it.
Okay, Messi
Okay.
and more volume, you know?
Aha, yeah, makes sense.
That's what I'm just gonna give you what you want, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
You want that stuff. Gonna have when you're gonna use powder or something like that, you're gonna be easy. Just you have to do kind of like that and then it's messy, you know? You know?
It's quite easy.
Yeah, yeah.
So you working for Lucrăm for a long time or you work for different jobs?
No, I'm working just for 3 years. That's like I said,
Okay.
almost 3 years. Before, yeah,
Middle but
yeah,
south.
yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
Take like 2.5, 3 hours to drive. You know,
Okay.
you know, it's traffic. You can blow dry kind of like that. With your hand, you know. If you have to give more volume, you know, just keep your hair kind of like that. And yeah, you're gonna give more volume. You're gonna need, you say you don't have that thing, so, you know. And then I'm gonna show you, when I'm gonna finish the back and side,
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna show you how to start.
Okay.
Oh, your hair is so nice because if I'm gonna do it shorter, then I can't do it back, you know?
Yeah, no worries.
Because I'm not sure what length you want, so that's why I'm gonna
So, any plans to go back just to visit Romania?
I'm just already in September.
Okay.
Yeah, when you're ready. All right.
Is it just quite every day?
I'm gonna be colder now with the short hair.
What's happening in town?
Because it's out.
Busy enough.
No.
Thank God.
That's what
What's it?
Ah.
kind of like that.
Okay.
But now it's a little bit wet because I'm gonna do that things, you know. But and then that's it, you know. It'll be easy. With this one, it's much better because I'm gonna do more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.